Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be explaining about nutrition in animals. So first let's know about nutrition. So nutrition is the mode of intake and utilization by the body. Now let's know about animal nutrition. So animal nutrition includes nutrition requirement, mode of intake and utilization by the body, ingestion and digestion. So now let's know about digestion. So you all might be aware of nutrients or the components of food like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals and roughage. These are known as complex substances. When these complex substances are broken down into smaller pieces, this process is known as digestion. Now let's know about different ways of taking food. So there are many ways of taking in food. Sucking. So honeybees suck nectar from flowers, and infants or old people eat soft food which easily gets digested, and snakes swallow their prey, and animals like dogs and cats lick food. Now let's know about an amazing fact of starfish. So starfish feeds upon the animals that have hard shells. So hard shells contain calcium carbonate, and when the hard shell is taken out, the starfish pops out its stomach and eats the soft animal inside the shell. And after eating, it takes in back its stomach and the food gradually gets digested. Now let's know about digestion in humans. So there are various parts in the digestive system or the digestive tract. It is also known as the alimentary canal. So let's start with the first part, buccal cavity. It is also known as mouth. Then we have salivary glands, esophagus or the food pipe, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and finally rectum and anus. So these are known as alimentary canal or the digestive tract. Now let's know about each part in detail. As you can see here, this is the buccal cavity or the mouth. And these glands are known as the salivary glands. And this is the food pipe or the esophagus. Here we have the stomach. Here we have the liver. This is the gallbladder. Here we have the pancreas. Here we have the large intestine. And the small intestine. And here we have the rectum or anus. So this is the digestive tract or the alimentary canal. Now let's know about each part in detail. First, let's start about the buccal cavity or the mouth. So the process of taking in food into the body is known as ingestion. We chew the food with the help of teeth and break it down into smaller pieces. Each tooth performs different function and is rooted in different socket. So we have 16 teeth in the upper jaw and the lower jaw. So the first set of teeth which we get in the age of 1 year or 2 years. So in the age of 6 to 8, we lose our teeth. The first pair of teeth which we get are known as milk teeth. And when the teeth are broken and we have a new pair of teeth which are known as permanent teeth. So now let's know about different types of teeth. So let's start from the ending. So these three teeth, these three tooths are known as molars. Even these three. Now these two teeth are known as premolars. Same on this side too. Now we have one canine on both the sides. And these four teeth are known as incisors. Now let's know about different teeth. So the molars and premolars function same. They function in the same way. Molars and premolars grind the food, and canines tear tear hard things like flesh. They tear meat. In carnivorous animals, we see that all teeth are sharp, which helps them to tear food easily. And the incisors cut the food. Molars and premolars grind the food, they make them into smaller pieces. Canines are known as the longest teeth, they tear food. And incisors cut the food into smaller pieces. Now let's know about the function of saliva. The saliva breaks down starch into sugars. Now let's know about the tongue. So tongue is a muscular and a fleshy organ which is attached to the back of the buccal cavity. It plays an important role in mixing saliva with the food. It helps us to talk, and it has many taste buds through which we taste food. Now let's know about tooth decay. Normally, bacteria is present in our teeth, but they are not harmful. But when we don't clean our teeth and eat lots of sweet, bad bacteria also starts growing in it. These bacteria are harmful. The bacteria breaks down sugar present in the leftover food and releases acids. The acids gradually damage the teeth, and this process is known as tooth decay. And if it is not treated in time, it might cause severe toothache or have chances to lose the teeth or the tooth. Sweet things like chocolate, sweets, soft drinks are the main cause for the tooth decay. So we need to stop eating them, and we need to brush our teeth or clean it with dental floss at least twice a day. And also rinse our mouth, wash it properly. And we should not put dirty things in our mouth. Now let's know why we get hiccups or we feel choking effect. We have choking effect. Sometimes when we eat and laugh or talk, we may cough or get hiccups and feel choking sensation. This happens when the food enters the windpipe. Windpipe carries air from the nostrils to the lungs. It is adjacent to the food pipe, but inside the throat, air and food have a common passage. During swallowing, a flap-like structure closes the path of windpipe and it guides the food into the food pipe. By chance, sometimes when the food enters the windpipe, we feel choked, get hiccups or cough. So these are the regions where we have taste buds. Bye guys, in the second part, I will explain you the rest of the lesson.